Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Confirm which account you have and why it's limited. Run whoami/all to capture SID and group memberships. Save the output. Once done, gather admin credentials or recovery keys and ensure a break glass account is available. Make sure the domain controller is reachable, DNS resolves, and you have a current backup snapshot. This prep prevents mistakes and lets you proceed confidently when elevating privileges or requesting changes. Now you perform controlled elevation and validation. Try run-as with a known admin or use an approved local admin token. This tests whether elevation paths work. Next, inspect group policy and delegated permissions in Active Directory to locate the restriction source. Also, examine event viewer and security audit logs to find precise denial events, because knowing why access is blocked tells you what to change. Once you confirm the mechanism, plan the least privilege correction to minimize risk. Finish by applying the minimal permission changes you identified, then force a policy refresh with gpupdate/force and immediately test the affected workflows. Make sure to document every change and notify stakeholders, and prepare a rollback plan in case something breaks. If access still fails, boot to safe mode, enable the emergency admin account, or restore from the backup snapshot you verified earlier. Quick troubleshooting tip: when stuck, compare a working machine's settings to find the exact divergence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.